The magnetic charging cable is not good enough. It's too much hassle to install, too complicated to use, and too expensive to get. That is why we are here. Meet Simplelink, an all-in-one two-way magnetic cable with 4K HDMI, 10 gigabits per second transfer speed, and 60 watts of charging power. The Simplelink magnetic port not only transfers data up to 10 gigabits per second, but also supports 60 FPS, 4K HDMI, and charges your USB-C devices with full magnetic connection. The two-way magnetic connector design eliminates all the searching and fumbling, making the cables find their way to the port on both ways, saving you all the time and effort. The Kevlar cable material is highly resistant to bending or stretching, and the safety pins make it a safe transferring or charging, lasting years of using at anywhere, anytime. Simplelink is the perfect combination of practicality and price. Support us on Kickstarter now.